बच्चों, let's read the question. The question says, given below are two statements. One is labeled assertion A and the other is labeled as reason R. Assertion A. Moment of inertia of a circular disk M and radius R about xy axis passing through its plane and z axis which is perpendicular to the plane were found to be ix, iy and iz respectively. The respective radii of gyration about all three axes will be same. Reason R. A rigid body making rotational motion has fixed mass shape. In the light of the above statement, choose the most appropriate answer from the options given below. A is correct but R is not correct. B. Both A and R are correct and R is the correct explanation of A. C. Both A and R are correct but R is not the correct explanation of A. D. A is not correct but R is correct. Now firstly we will see the key concept. पहले moment of inertia क्या होता है? So basically it is a physical quantity जो describe करता है कि how easily a body can be rotated about a particular axis. अब हम देखेंगे theorem of perpendicular axis. Let's consider कि ये तीन axis हैं. This is x, this is y and let's say this is z. इसके around एक rigid object रखा हुआ है. So the moment of inertia of the planar rigid body about an axis perpendicular to the plane is equal to sum of its moment of inertia about two perpendicular axes. This sum is concurrent with perpendicular axis and lying on the plane of the body. So this is the theorem of perpendicular axis और हम इसको ऐसे शो करते हैं which is iz equals to ix plus iy. यानी कि ये सम है दो perpendicular axis का which is concurrent to the other perpendicular axis. हम इसको ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं iy equals to ix plus iz और ix equals to iy plus iz. Or this is possible because x, y and z are mutually perpendicular. So now हम let's say सिर्फ इसको कंसिडर करते हैं. अब हम मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया का रिलेशन रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन से बनाते हैं. So what is radius of gyration? So it is the distance from the center of mass of the body at which the whole mass is concentrated without changing moment of inertia about an axis through the mass. Radius of gyration को हम k से represent करते हैं. So the relation between moment of inertia and radius of gyration is I equals to m k square where m is the mass. अगर हम इस relation को यहाँ put करते हैं then it will be equals to m k z square equals to m k x square plus m k y square. m common है so it will be equals to k z square equals to k x square plus k y square. So यहाँ पे ये इन्फरेंस निकलता है कि रेडियस ऑफ गायरेशन अबाउट x, y and z axis कैन नॉट बी सेम बिकॉज उनके बीच में रिलेशन इज दिस. दैट मीन्स असर्शन इज नॉट करेक्ट. अब रिजिड बॉडी, हमने एक रिजिड बॉडी पहले बनाई थी जो तीनों एक्सिस पे थी and these axes are the rotational axis. So a rigid body about the rotational axis which has definite shape, size and mass. And so इस definition के हिसाब से reason is correct. That means final answer is assertion A is not correct but reason is correct, which is option D. Hope you understood it well. Best of luck.